What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now today we're looking at 5 ways to protect your car from thieves. First up is the classic steering wheel lock. Now you don't really see much of them these days, but they used to be really popular back in the day. The steering wheel lock is a great deterrent and it's going to stop a lot of criminals, but it does have its flaws. Today's carjacker is a lot more advanced and they have a lot more tools at their disposal. Now I've even heard some stories of some criminals carrying around a little spray canister. They spray the steering wheel lock, it completely freezes, and then they shatter it with a hammer. This renders the steering wheel lock pretty much completely useless. I don't know how true they are and I've never seen it in action, but it's something to think about. Another pain with these steering wheel locks is you're going to have to remove them and attach them every time you park your car. And to be honest, they're quite big and bulky and they need to be to work, so they're quite heavy. So if you just accidentally knock something on your interior, you're going to easily damage your car. That being said though, the steering lock still deserves a place on this list. It's not perfect, it has its flaws, but it's going to provide you with a really good deterrent and it's going to scare away a lot of thieves because they're simply not going to want the hassle and they're not going to bother. Next up is the kill switch. The kill switch is a really effective method of severely slowing down or completely stopping a carjacker. A kill switch is exactly as it sounds. It's basically a switch you have in your car that completely kills the engine. So when a thief breaks into your car, even if they have the keys, they'll get in the car, they'll press the button or they'll turn the key and nothing will happen. At that point, they've got 2 choices. 1, they can either run away and completely abandon the carjacking, or 2, they can look around the entire car and try and find this kill switch. Remember, they don't even know that the kill switch is in the car, so you could hide it anywhere. So this is a brilliant way to prevent carjacking. Just contact your local car security specialist or even a car audio expert and they should be able to easily fit a kill switch into your car. And it's not going to break the bank either, because in the UK, you can get a kill switch fitted for just under £100. Now I think that is totally worth it if you think about how much protection and peace of mind you're giving to yourself for your car. Right, now let's talk about something called Ghost. So what exactly is Ghost? Well, Ghost is a security system in your car, and what it allows you to do is set up a personalized PIN, and without that PIN, you can't start up the car. When you enter your car, much like the kill switch, if you go to start the engine, the car's going to do nothing, it's completely disabled. Now the unique thing about Ghost is it uses a PIN system, but it's not got like a screen or a keyboard or anything like that. The way it works is you create a custom sequence that you pick yourself that uses buttons in the car. So for example, if I wanted to enter the PIN for this car to start it up and it had Ghost, I might have set it up so I have to press the menu button once, the air conditioning button once, the heated seat button once, and then that's it, that's my PIN. Then I start the car and it starts up. But you can go from up to 10 functions and 10 buttons all the way up to 20. So you can make a really long PIN if you want, or you can make a really short PIN, whatever you feel comfortable with. Chances are the thief is not going to know your PIN. Over the years, Ghost has become even more advanced, and now you get the option to use your phone as well. The way it works is you set a PIN up on your phone, so when you're in the car with your phone, you enter the PIN on your phone and it unlocks the car. This is just in case you don't want to do the old-fashioned way and pressing the buttons in the car. I personally think the buttons in the car is the most secure way, but if you want to use your phone, you've got the option now. Here in the UK, if you're looking to get Ghost fully fitted, paying for the fitting and the system, you're looking at around £450, which is quite expensive, but you know, this is our loved car and we want to protect it, and it's a great proven system. They've been around for years. Right, now it's time to talk about trackers. So trackers have been around for years. I'm sure you've all heard of them, but over the years, they've become more and more advanced. The concept is simple. A GPS device hidden somewhere in your car, out of hand's reach, out of eye's reach, and what it does is it broadcasts a GPS signal so you know exactly where your car is at any time. So if someone does manage to steal your car, they're really not going to get far. Simply call the police and they'll be able to track them and get to the exact location no matter where they've gone. Now in the past, thieves used to use signal blockers in an attempt to block the GPS signal from broadcasting in the car. But don't worry, most modern trackers now use military-grade technology to prevent this completely. They can even broadcast inside heavy steel containers and underground car parks. To fit a tracker, it's going to set you back around £400 in the UK. but then you're going to have to pay a subscription fee for the GPS. A typical subscription for a high quality tracker, you're looking at around £15 a month. Another good feature about the trackers is a lot of them come with motion detection. And what you do is you hook it up with an app, and if your car suddenly moves, the app's going to notify you so you know when someone's trying to steal your car. So guys, if you're interested in getting a tracker fitted to your car, just contact your local car security and alarm specialist. They should be able to recommend the best tracker for your car. Now I want to talk to you guys about something that's dear to my heart, and that is the humble Faraday Pouch. Now, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you'll know all about the Faraday Pouch, so don't worry, I've got something new to show you in the car behind. But in a nutshell, keyless theft is very scary. Basically, modern criminals will use a computer, they will piggyback the signal of your car key in your house, extend it with a computer, and they'll just start your car up and drive off from your driveway. They can steal your car in like 5 minutes or 20 seconds. So the Faraday Pouch is a really simple method to completely prevent this. It's cheap, you can pick one up for around £10. I'll pop a link in the description below for the ones that I use. But basically, you just pop your key in the pouch, seal it up, and it completely blocks the signal, so thieves cannot use this method. But I have something special in my car that I want to show you. So I was just browsing along Instagram looking at cool pictures of cars, as you do, and I came across this company called Theft Block. And what they do is they sell these Faraday boxes. So it's not a pouch, it's a box, and it's a really nice box, and I wanted to show you guys. So this is the box here. So it's this nice kind of velvet, it's got a nice embossed logo, and basically if I open it up, you've got space for a number of car keys. So if you've got multiple cars in your house, you can pop them all in here, and just like the Faraday Pouch, they're completely protected. Now, this video is not sponsored by this company at all. I actually saw the product, I thought, I really want one of those, they look great. And as you guys know, I really believe in Faraday pouches, and I'm always trying to spread the word because I absolutely hate car criminals, and I want to help protect as many people as possible. And I got in touch with the company, and I asked if they would like to send me a box so I could include it in this video. And the company is run by a really nice guy. He responded straight away, and he said, yeah, absolutely. And he actually sent me this box, which I really appreciated. And you know, I've actually been using it since, and I love it. Now, I did think about you guys too, so I actually asked him if he could create me a discount code for you guys so you can get a discount. Now, I get absolutely nothing from this other than just the box. For me, it's all about helping you guys protect your car and helping out a nice small business that I quite like. So I'll pop the discount code on the screen now, along with a link, and this will be in the description of the video as well, in case you want to pick up one of these boxes. But yeah, I absolutely love these boxes, and that's why it's my 5th way to protect your car from thieves. So rather than just hold this box and show you, we're going to have a quick look and we're going to see if it works. And we're going to do that by putting our keys in and seeing if we can start the car. Now, if this box works, we won't be able to start our car at all. So I'm just opening up the box now, and I'm going to take my key, I'm going to put my key in the box, I'm going to seal it shut. It has a nice magnetic seal, so it completely seals it. Now, fingers crossed, the car won't start. Absolutely nothing. It says place the key in the marked space. So the box is working completely, the key's not detected. So if you just have one of these in your house, in your hallway, or wherever you want, pop all your keys in it and you'll be completely protected. So there we have it, guys. That's my 5 ways to protect your car from modern thieves. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up because it always helps me in the channel out. More likes, more recommendations, more viewers, we can protect more cars, and it can help the channel grow, which I really appreciate. Speaking of growing the channel, if you want to see more content, more tips and tricks, fun with the AMG here, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time.